Okay, pardon the traffic noise outside, but it's very raining and wet. So what I figured we'd do is a little bike check today. This started out as a motovox Platinum that somebody had put a 197 in. I picked up off Marketplace. Tillotson Racing mini bike engine, also from Marketplace. The Luffy sticker, that was me. Catch can came with the first mini bike frame I bought, but I got it on here because in that box over there is 24 mil nibby carb. So I got the tube blocked off there in the factory carb, which actually smoothed it out a lot at mid throttle. We got Amazon street tires that are the I'll get that there, 15x5-6 street tires. They got them on Go Power Sports too, but they didn't have any, so I got these ones from Amazon. They're apparently the same. For handlebars, the S&M 10 rise by 30 perfect 10s with Amazon JFG Racing thumb throttle kit, which got a new cable also for the nibby carb in the box. Phone holder, so I use my GPS for the phone. Hydro brake, also from Amazon for a doodlebug, and so it's not mounted perfectly. I got the back supported with I don't know, I had that from something else, and I figured 3 zip ties is about as strong as a weld. So, and it has totally held up for at least 12 and a half hours of ride time. I got my lights, rechargeable headlight up front, just Schwinn, regular ones from Walmart. The exhaust is a Stinger pipe that originally came on here and was originally cut wrong because it like ran straight into this tube. So when I got the muffler for it, me and my friend Steve, you'll see him later, we bent the Stinger with a torch and then welded the can on there for the neighbors to not hate us. The anti-neighbor hating is good. It's Amazon Universal Split Sprocket Kit with a 42 10-tooth Hilliard clutch. Highly recommend a Hilliard clutch. They're way better than your average Amazon clutch with the goofy weights. Might have one. It's not laying right out. I will maybe do a video showing what they look like. But there's the nibby carb I haven't put on yet because I'm not going to tune it. I have somebody who works at a small engine shop who I know pretty good now. They're gonna tune it. That's Project 60s Fox Doodlebug FX. And I suppose that'll do it for today. And hope y'all have sunny days and wind in your face and all that. Peace.